everyone, welcome back to Rosy Journal. I'm Alice. As I said in my previous video, this is another December journaling process. In this video, I'm gonna share how I journaled with Disney Magazine. This page turned out all about Winnie the Pooh and I'm so happy with it. I'm cutting an image from a magazine page, an illustration of Winnie and Owl, a gift just arrived for Owl. This is so Christmas and so cute. And this image made a wonderful focal point of this page. And I'm cutting a title part from another page, and then an ornament ball with dates as well. Also, I cut out the first line of the story, so I had to start my journaling with In the Forest of Blue Dreams, which is where Winnie and his friends live. Is it called the Forest of Blue Dreams in other countries? I'm curious, let me know in the comments. I'm making a tab. I pulled out a baby pin because I wanted to add a bell to the tab. I was happy with the layout, so I started to fix all of them with glue stick, but I forgot to add washi tape on the bottom, so I had to lift up the main image. But that's the best part of the glue stick. You have like a minute to undo it. So I'm going and trimming the excess. I'm adding double-sided tape to the tab, and I poked a hole to the tab with the baby pin from the back so you see nothing from the front. I was going to journal another page with this frozen image of Elsa and Anna because it reminded me of my sister and me, but I had to stop because I cut my finger quite deep on an X-Acto knife. You can see my left thumb is covered with band-aid. So today's journaling ends here, but I'll definitely do the frozen journaling that I was going to do and share with you in a flip through video when I finish this December notebook. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this journaling process, which I think simple and lovely. I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your loved ones. I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays! Bye bye!